One thing that I notice in younger, or not age younger, but just newer writers, is that they are passionate as they begin a story, and so they put a lot of time and attention in the beginning, and then they know how they want it to end. And so all of their focus then it goes to the ending. So they go from, oh my gosh, this is so exciting, I can't wait, to this is going to be so awesome. And in the middle, they sometimes will just be on the way from here to there, and they don't really build up in the middle. They don't give that same attention to the middle that they do the beginning and the end. That's a big mistake. That middle is probably the middle 50% of your story. Don't go soft or weak on your middle. Make that just as exciting. Give the emotional roller coaster, give the complexities, give the excitement, let them hit some walls, let them almost give up, and then hit them with the ending. Don't shortcut your middle.